The MOONCOOL Electric Bike for adults is a remarkable blend of power, versatility, and convenience, designed to accommodate a range of riders, from casual commuters to adventurous weekend warriors. With its peak power of 700 watts, this electric bike stands out in the market, providing a compelling option for those seeking both efficiency and thrill in their cycling experience. One of the first things that strikes you about the MOONCOOL is its sleek and modern design. The step-through frame makes it incredibly easy to mount and dismount, which is particularly beneficial for those who may have mobility issues or prefer a hassle-free riding experience. The frame is sturdy yet lightweight, constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy that promises durability without compromising ease of handling. This design element caters to a broad demographic, making it accessible for both men and women. The bike's motor is a powerhouse, providing a peak power of 700 watts. This translates to impressive acceleration and the ability to tackle inclines and rough terrain with relative ease. Riders can expect a smooth and responsive experience, whether commuting on city streets or exploring more rugged paths. The electric assist feature allows for effortless pedaling, making longer rides less daunting. With 3 modes of operation, full electric, pedal assist, and traditional cycling, the MOONCOOL provides flexibility to meet varied riding preferences. The 7-speed transmission is another highlight, contributing to the bike's adaptability. Riders can seamlessly switch between gears to suit their riding conditions, whether they are cruising on a flat road or navigating steep hills. This versatility is enhanced by the bike's responsive shifters, which facilitate easy gear changes, ensuring that you can always find the right level of resistance. The MOONCOOL electric bike is equipped with a reliable lithium-ion battery, boasting a capacity that allows for a range of 30 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on the mode of use and rider weight. This means that for the average commuter, the bike can comfortably handle a week's worth of travel without the need for frequent recharging. The battery is conveniently removable, making it easy to charge indoors, and the included charger is efficient enough to recharge the battery fully in 4 to 6 hours. In terms of safety and comfort, the MOONCOOL does not skimp on features. It comes with a front fork suspension that effectively absorbs bumps from uneven terrains, ensuring a smooth ride even on less than ideal surfaces. The 26-inch wheels are designed for stability and grip, further enhancing rider safety. Additionally, the bike is fitted with front and rear disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power, essential for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. The bike also prioritizes rider comfort with its adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars, allowing for a customized fit. The seat is well padded, which is a thoughtful addition for longer rides, reducing discomfort and fatigue. The bike's overall geometry promotes a natural riding posture, which is crucial for preventing strain during extended periods of cycling. Aesthetically, the MOONCOOL electric bike is visually appealing, available in several colors that cater to different tastes. The integrated LED headlights and taillights enhance visibility during low-light conditions, making it a safe choice for evening rides. The presence of reflectors on the bike also adds an extra layer of safety, ensuring that riders remain visible to others on the road. However, like any product, the MOONCOOL electric bike has its minor drawbacks. Some users have noted that the assembly process can be somewhat challenging, particularly for those who are not mechanically inclined. It may take some time to get used to the bike's weight, especially for individuals accustomed to traditional bicycles. Additionally, while the bike's battery life is commendable, heavy usage in full electric mode can diminish the range, which is something to consider for those planning longer trips. In conclusion, the MOONCOOL electric bike for adults is an impressive choice for anyone seeking a reliable, powerful, and comfortable electric bike. With its robust motor, versatile transmission, and user-friendly design, it caters to a broad